Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Math Vibes. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. In the earlier videos, we have learnt about what are rational numbers, their needs, their types, difference between a fraction and a rational numbers, and in another video we have also learnt about that why rational numbers are represented with Q and not with R. So in our today's video, we are going to continue with rational numbers and we will learn about how to represent rational numbers on a number line. Let's start. So before we move on to learning how to represent rational numbers, let us quickly revise what do you mean by a number line? Well, a number line is just like a line but with numbers on it. Let's look deep into it. Whenever we have to draw a number line, then first of all we have to draw a line with two arrows on both the sides. It is very important to draw arrows on both the sides. And another thing you have to take note of is that a number line should always be drawn with a pencil. Okay. Moving on, after drawing a line, what you will do is you will put equal marks over here. These are called ticks. You will put ticks over here, but you have to take care of this thing that these ticks should be on equal intervals. Okay, these ticks should be on equal intervals. Now when you have to draw this on your notebook, it becomes very easy to draw this number line if you use a scale, because on scale you already have these ticks over there like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those markings are already written over there. So you just draw a line and then you put a scale on it, so you will be able to draw these ticks on equal intervals easily if you keep on marking on points 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, that was about how to draw a number line on your notebook. Now, so first thing is draw it with a pencil. Second thing is arrows should be marked on both the sides. Third, these ticks should be on equal intervals, right? These ticks should be on equal intervals, and then you will write numbers under it, because number line means a line with numbers on it. Number line, a line with numbers on it, and we know that a line has arrows on both the sides. Okay, so number line means a line with numbers on it, and those should always start from 0. Do remember this thing. A number line, whenever you are drawing, it should always start from 0. We just don't start it from in between. We always start it from the number 0. Okay, let's move on. Now when you are drawing a number line, we have kept in mind those points about arrows and equal ticks and numbers written on it. Okay, so when you are drawing a number line, then we should see that when we are writing the numbers, then they go on increasing if we go to the right hand side. Okay, and they keep on decreasing if we go to the left hand side. Means if I am going from 0 to 5, they will increase, their value will increase. But if I'll go to left hand side, like if I am going from 5 to 2, like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, its value is decreasing. Okay, so remember this thing. On right hand side its value increases, and on left hand side its value decreases. Okay, next is, now if in opposite situations, we like integers. Okay, now we have to draw integers on a number line. Okay, so obviously now when we are drawing the number line, then along with the positive numbers we have to draw negative numbers also. Okay, same method, you will just extend it. Okay, earlier you were drawing only the positive numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Now you will draw all the negative numbers on the left hand side of 0. Okay, on the left hand side of 0, and they'll be written as -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. All right, so again you have to keep in mind the same things, that when we are going to right hand side the numbers increases, and when we are going to left hand side the number decreases. Okay, so bigger numbers on right hand side, smaller numbers on left hand side. And remember, all the points that we were keeping in mind to draw a number line will also apply everywhere, whether we are representing integers on a number line, whether we are representing rational numbers on a number line. Okay, so let's move on further. Now suppose I have to represent 5 on the number line. How will I do that? Firstly, I'll draw a number line. Okay, I'll put arrows on both the sides. I will put ticks on equal intervals. Okay, and then I will write down the numbers under it. Alright, then I will write all the numbers under it. Now when we have written all the numbers under it, and if I have to represent now the number 5, then 5 is already written here. What you will do is just put a circle around the number 5. Okay, just put a circle around the number 5. So this will be the representation of number 5 on the number line. Easy, isn't it? Yes. Let's take another example where you have to represent minus 5 on a number line now. Now in this question you have to represent minus 5 on the number line. So now what you will do? How will you represent minus 5 on the number line? Firstly, again we will draw a line with arrows on both the sides. We'll draw it with a pencil, don't forget. And then we will put ticks on equal intervals. And after that, now the number that we have to represent is minus 5. So that means now the number line that we will draw will start from 0 and will go to the left hand side, right? So now I have to write negative numbers. Okay, and negative numbers always we have to start from 0, then we have to go to the left side, because right, the numbers which are positive they are on the right side, and the numbers which are negative they are on the left side. Okay, so now these numbers will be written on the left side. So if now I have to draw represent, or I have to represent number 5 on a number line, then how will I do that? How will I do that? See, minus 5 is already written over here. So now I will put a circle around minus 5. So this means that minus 5 is on the number line. It will represent minus 5 on the number line here. I hope it is easy for you. I hope you are getting the point. Right? Easy. Just remember those points that I have told you in the beginning whenever you have to draw number line and whenever you have to represent some numbers on it. Okay. Moving on. Now let us study how to represent rational numbers on a number line. Okay. Now you have to represent rational numbers on a number line. Let's quickly revise what were rational numbers. Let me see who all can answer. Come on, think. Well, rational numbers are the numbers that are represented in the form P over Q, where P and Q are integers, Q is not equal to 0, and P and Q are co-prime numbers. To know more about rational numbers, do visit our channel. There is a video on rational numbers especially. Do watch it. Alright. Let's move on. Now let's represent rational numbers on a number line. Now step 1 again will be draw a number line. So here we have drawn a number line. Again keeping in mind both the things, that arrows should be there on both the sides. Ticks should be on equal intervals, and then mark the numbers on it. This is step 2. You have to mark the numbers on it, right? While marking the numbers, take care of this thing that you should start from 0. Alright? The number line should always start from 0. Now, the next step will be that whenever you have to draw or represent any number on a number line, then firstly you draw the number line, write the numbers under it, and then draw a line under it. Alright, here you can see these pink marks over there. You can draw the number lines on it, right? So you have drawn a line under them also. Now next step will be you have to write the denominator of the rational number to be plotted. Now let's take an example. Let us suppose that we want to represent 5 by 6 on a number line. Okay, let's suppose we have to represent 5 by 6 on a number line. So what will you do? Till now we have drawn a number line. Okay, we have put arrows, we have drawn it with a pencil, we have put ticks at equal intervals, we have written numbers under it, and we have drawn a line under it. Okay, now very easy. I have to represent 5 by 6, right? I have to represent 5 by 6 on a number line. So what I will do, after writing all these numbers, I will draw a line under them, and I will write 6 under it. That's it. Okay, after writing these numbers, it was 5 by 6 was a positive rational number, right? So I have drawn a positive number line. Alright, then I have drawn a line under it, and then whatever was the denominator that we have to represent, we have to represent 5 by 6. Denominator was 6. Denominator is which is under that line in a fraction. Okay, so here 6 was the denominator. So under all these lines we have written 6. Now we have to show 5 by 6 on a number line. So what we will do now is we will put a circle around 5 by 6. We will put a circle around 5 by 6. So this is a representation of 5 by 6 on a number line. Okay, so this is a representation of 5 by 6 on a number line. Now let us take another number. Okay, now let us take one more example. Now suppose you have to represent 3 by 4 on a number line. Okay, now you have to represent 3 by 4. Again, it is a positive rational number, right? Positive rational number. So we will draw a positive number line. Step 1. Draw a line with the pencil. Mark arrows on both the sides. Put a tick at equal intervals. Write numbers and put a line under them. Okay, write the numbers and put a line under them. Now you can write any number. Suppose we have to draw 3 by 4. Numerator we have 3. So you can also write the numbers till 4 only or till 5 only. That will be perfectly fine. It is not compulsory that you have to write till 6 only. We will see according to our requirement, according to our numerator. If the numerator is 3, you can draw till 3 also. Okay, or you can draw one more number for safety sake. Okay, so now till here draw a line under it, and then now the denominator is 4. Now the denominator is 4. So you will write 4 under it. Okay, firstly write the counting. After drawing a number line, putting the ticks, just write the counting. See the numerator, it is positive or negative. A rational number is positive or negative. If it is a positive rational number, draw a positive number line. Okay, then see the numerator, the upper number. Okay, here it was 3, so I can write till 4 also. Okay, so I have written till 6. Just you can write any numbers. Okay, then you have to draw a line under it, and whatever is the denominator, you have to write the denominator under that. Now you have to represent 3 by 4 under it. Okay, you have to represent 3 by 4 on a number line. So what you will do, you will put a circle around 3 by 4. You will put a circle around 3 by 4. So this will be the representation of 3 by 4 on a number line. So easy, isn't it? है ना? Like, very good, well done. Now let's talk about negative rational numbers. Let's take one example of a negative rational number also. And if you are still confused about what are negative rational numbers or what are positive rational numbers, do watch our video. I'll put the link in the description box also, or you can go to our channel and you can watch the video related to rational numbers. Okay, now let's learn about how to represent negative rational numbers on a number line. Let's take an example. Let us suppose that we have to represent minus 5 by 4 on a number line now. Now it is having a negative sign, so it is a negative rational number. Now we have to represent this on a number line. All the steps will be same. Draw the number line with a pencil, put arrows on both the sides, put ticks at equal intervals. Okay, then write negative numbers under it. Now see, it is a negative rational number. So now the number line that we will draw will be a negative number line. Okay, so now the negative number line will be drawn. It will start from 0. It will start from 0 and we will go to left hand side. Okay, so we will start writing the numbers from 0 and we'll keep on moving to left hand side. -1, -2, -3 and so on. Now till here all the steps are same, except we are drawing a negative number line now. Okay, then same step, we'll put a line under these numbers. Okay, now see the denominator. Now the denominator is 4. Okay, now the denominator is 4. So very easy, under all these lines now we will write the number 4. Okay, under all these lines now we have written the number 4. Right, now the next step is we have to represent minus 5 by 4 on a number line. So now what we will do, minus 5 by 4, put it in a circle. Now we will put a circle around minus 5 by 4. So this is the representation of minus 5 by 4 on a number line. Okay, so this is a representation of minus 5 by 4 on a number line. Easy, right? I hope you are getting it. That's good. If you are understanding, that's very nice, right? Let us take one more example of a negative rational number. Okay, let's take another example of a negative rational number. Let us suppose that you have to represent minus 2 by 7 on a number line now. Okay, let us suppose that you have to represent minus 2 by 7 on a number line. All the steps are same. Draw the number line with a pencil. Put arrows on both the sides, put the ticks on equal intervals, and do remember that these ticks should be on the equal interval. In the beginning of the video I have told you a very easy method how to draw a number line with equal intervals on your notebook. Do watch the video carefully. If you have missed the point, you can go back and you can just again listen to that. Okay, so after writing all this, again check out whether it is a positive rational number or a negative one. Here it is a negative rational number, right? So we will draw a negative number line, so which should start from 0 and we will go to left hand side. So 0, -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. Right, we need to represent minus 2 by 7. Okay, we need to represent minus 2 by 7. See the numerator. See if it is minus 2 here. Okay, so I can just draw till minus 3 or till minus 2 also, but we draw one more number. Okay, we can write as many numbers as we want, but it will be better if you write according to your need only. Okay, so minus 2 is here. -2 we can see on the upper part. Here it was also numerator. This is also numerator. Now the next step will be we will draw a line under it. Okay. Now under the line we have denominator. Okay. So now check the denominator. Here the denominator is 7. Here the denominator is 7. So what we will do? We will write the number 7 under it. Easy peasy, isn't it? Yes, so now still minus 2 by 7 we have to represent it. We have not represented it yet. So what you will do? Put a circle around minus 2 by 7. Put a circle around minus 2 by 7. Okay, so this is the representation of minus 2 by 7 on a number line. So easy. I hope you have got all the points that I wanted to convey to you. Okay, if you still have any confusion about positive numbers, positive rational numbers, negative rational numbers, do watch our video. It is available on our channel and the link is also there in the description box below. Okay. All right. So this was about representation of rational numbers on a number line. And don't forget to take more examples of positive and negative rational numbers from your book or on your own. And you can practice to represent rational numbers on a number line. Remember, practice makes a man perfect. If you just watch my video and you will not practice it, it is not going to help you. Okay, watch the video, understand the concept, then open your book, do the questions related to it, and then you will be perfect in representing those numbers on a number line. Okay. Well, I hope you are liking our videos and I can see it. Thank you so much to all the subscribers who have subscribed to my video, who have liked my video, and who are sharing it also. Thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you so much. And if you're really those who have not subscribed it yet, please do subscribe. Okay, please do like my videos, share it also, and don't forget to come back and check out our next videos on your favorite channel, Math Vibes. Thank you so much. Bye bye.